Welcome to our comparison of two popular graphics cards, the SHOWKINGS Radeon RX 580 and the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5060 Ti. In this video, we'll explore their specifications, performance, and price to see which one is the better choice for your gaming needs. Let's dive in. The SHOWKINGS Radeon RX 580 is designed for 1080p gaming, providing a solid performance for most games at reasonable settings. In contrast, the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5060 Ti excels in 1440p gaming, offering higher frame rates and supporting advanced features such as ray tracing and DLSS. This makes the RTX 5060 Ti a better choice for gamers looking for high-resolution experiences. When it comes to pricing, the SHOWKINGS Radeon RX 580 is significantly more affordable at just $149, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious gamers. On the other hand, the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5060 Ti comes with a premium price tag of $419. While it offers better performance, the cost may be a barrier for some users. The SHOWKINGS Radeon RX 580 comes with essential features suitable for casual gaming, including multiple output ports and dual cooling fans. In contrast, the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5060 Ti boasts advanced features like ray tracing, DLSS, and a more efficient cooling system. These enhancements make it a superior choice for gamers seeking cutting-edge technology. In conclusion, both the SHOWKINGS Radeon RX 580 and the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5060 Ti have their strengths and weaknesses. The RX 580 is a great budget option for 1080p gaming, while the RTX 5060 Ti offers superior performance and features for those willing to invest more. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.